A.
A.
A is for apple.
Apple. Yummy. B.
B is for book.
Look. Wow. Yay.
C.
C.
C is for cat.
Cat. Meow. D.
D is for duck. Duck.
Duck. Quack. Wow! 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 E.
E is for eye.
I.
F is for fan.
Fan.
G.
G.
G is for goat.
Goat.
H.
H.
H is for hat.
Hat.
I is for ice cream.
Ice cream. J.
J is for juice.
Juice.
K.
K.
K is for kite.
Kite. L.
L is for lamp.
Lamp.
What? M.
M.
M is for mango.
Mango. Yummy. Mango.
N.
N.
N is for net.
Net. Hooray! We got a goal!
O.
Oh,
O is for orange.
orange. Yummy! Yay! P.
P is for pen.
Pen.
Q.
Q.
Q is for queen.
Queen.
R.
R.
R is for rabbit.
Rabbit.
S.
S.
S is for star.
Star. Star. T.
T is for toy. Toy.
Toy.
Vroom.
U.
U is for umbrella.
Umbrella.
is for van.
Van. W.
W is for watch.
Watch.
X is for xylophone.
Xylophone.
Y.
Y.
Y is for yogurt.
Yogurt.
Z.
Z.
Z is for zebra.
Zebra.
Hooray for the letters! They help us learn to read and write.